Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there guys. I want to welcome you to the channel. First of all, thank you for tuning in. The channel is DIY Design by CCW. Guys, I'm coming to you today with a very important collaboration. This collaboration is the Multiple Sclerosis Tablescape collab. Now, the whole idea is that we want to bring some awareness to this condition. And the collaboration was hosted, or is hosted, by Miss Tammy Thompson of TVMG, that's Tammy Thompson-TVMG, and also Miss Vondessa of Vee-ology. I really want to thank these ladies for coming together and inviting us all to, participate in this collaboration, because it's really important that we bring awareness to this condition. Now, some facts that I wanted to share with you regarding multiple sclerosis. People that suffer with this condition, they can suffer from many symptoms, and by no means is this list that I'm going to read to you all-inclusive. Some of them suffer from things such as fatigue, numbness and tingling, muscle spasms, walking difficulties, bladder or bowel dysfunction, and they can even experience emotional changes such as depression or anxiety. I was interested to, or rather, I guess I'd say I didn't know this. I knew some of this, but I didn't know all of it. And also there are 2.3 million people worldwide that have been diagnosed with this disorder. Now, the color orange, you guys will probably notice that I have a simple tablescape in front of you, and I have used the colors of gray and white and silver, but right there in the middle you're going to see a pop of orange. The reason I'm using that orange is because orange is the color that's used to bring awareness to this condition. So again, I don't know if you know someone that suffers with it, if you have a loved one that suffers with it, or if you yourself suffer from it. But, it really is a debilitating condition. We need to bring more awareness to it and really do what we can to hopefully find a cure someday. Now, I really don't want to go into a lot about the tablescape. I'll just tell you that briefly. Let you take a look at it, because again, my purpose in participating in this today was really just about the cause and bringing awareness to those that are suffering with this condition. But again, as I said to you, I did use silver and white, and you'll see I have some crystal on the table, some square silver chargers, silverware, some candles, things like that, and a silver vase in the middle. And I did that because I wanted that orange to really stand out, because again, that's what this is all about. So again, I want to give another shout out to the ladies who put this together. Again, it's Tammy Thompson of Tammy Thompson-TVMG and Vondessa of Vee-ology. They both have great channels. Please go and visit their channels. Show them some love. I think what they did, like I said, in thinking of a collaboration like this, was really excellent. And also, if you don't subscribe to their channels, I hope you'll do that. If you're not a member of this channel of DIY Design by CCW, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button today as well, and also click that notifications bell. So guys, that's all I have for you. I'm going to do what I normally do at the end, just kind of let you look at the tablescape. But again, I thank you so much for watching the video today. I hope that you give it a thumbs up, And most of all, I hope you share it, because it's all about bringing awareness to the condition that 2.3 million people suffer from, and that's multiple sclerosis. Thank you guys, and have a great day.